Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, can you see how beautiful this look is? I use a Fenty Beauty MVP liquid velvet lipstick to achieve this look. Next Sunday is Mother's Day here in Germany, so I decided to do a makeup tutorial on that. We mommies will have to look good. We mommies will have to beat our face. So if you want to see how I achieve this, sis, definitely do what? Keep watching. And don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Comment after watching, share and like, okay? And then if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and join this beautiful family. Okay, let's just jump into doing the video. See you next. Bye.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well, and I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. I would. you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. There's not much to do when all I can.
Hello beauties, makeup is done. I'm going to use my MAC Prep and Prime Lip Base to prep my lips. I love using this anytime I am wearing a liquid lipstick because it doesn't change the consistency of the liquid lipstick. So after that, I am going to use my Fenty Beauty Velvet Liquid Lipstick in the shade the MVP01. I have had a lot of reviews about this liquid lipstick that it transfers. So I don't know about it, but then let me apply. Okay. It applies very smoothly. It is blue red in color, but then in camera it is coming out orangey red, but it is blue red. And if you know that I love blue red lipsticks so much. It doesn't feel dry on the lips, and that is why it is velvet. It had this velvety feelings to it. It's good.
That's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon.
Beauties, this is the final look. This Sunday is Mother's Day here in Germany, so I am using this opportunity to wish all my beautiful mommies out there a happy Mothering Sunday. We are the best. All mommies in the house, all mommies in the world, we are doing amazing. May God continue to strengthen us as we carry on in this motherhood journey in our life. Thank you all so much. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, sis, what are you waiting for? Subscribe and join this beautiful family. Hear everything You know, we do everything beauty, motivational talk, mom talk, self-care, self-love. And for my old returning subscribers, you all are the best. I really appreciate the huge support that you have been pouring here on my channel. And please, one more favor, don't skip my ad. Watch all my ads. Is a way of saying, wow, sis, you are doing great. I appreciate each and every one of you. Stay safe and stay blessed until my next video. Bye.